Guys, I decided I'm gonna make a rant on both thunderstorms and power outages. So here we go. So basically the power just went out tonight, as you saw from my video. And basically the whole reason the power went out tonight was nothing. No reason for the power to be out at all. And guess what? It's out. It's literally out. This is just not the way to go. Like, what in the actual world? It's just, my goodness. And thunderstorms are threatened tomorrow and the day after. It's pretty much, if you look at the forecast for my area, which is Collingwood, Ontario, in case you're wondering, there's tons of rain in the forecast. Literally the entire forecast on Google shows it. So, as for the power outage we have right now, basically it's just that I do have a generator so I can get internet working in the power outage, but what I didn't tell you guys is that I believe the cords for either of them are missing. For both of them. So but thunderstorms well, let me tell you guys something. Before I get all drama here, well, whatever you want to put it. Basically, thunderstorms and power outages as a combo would be a nightmare for me. Which is why, honestly, I don't even think I want to live in Collingwood anymore, because I'm in one of those thunderstorm alleys at this point. And also, just in case you're wondering, if you're looking at the wares, there's a special weather statement in effect. I was actually just going to read the special weather statement until this happened. I was just about to read the special weather statement until the power decided, nope, goodbye, I'm out of here, fuck you. It's literally no reason that it's gone. And thunderstorms, as for Mother Nature for even screening thunderstorms, and for them even still being a thing, fuck off. Fuck you. Thunderstorms don't deserve on here, in my opinion. It's just this is just all the time. Thunderstorms just freak me out. Which is why I hate the weather. I hate summer. I hate the warm temperatures. I hate all of that. And you know what, for TriStar fan, if you hate the warm temperatures, I feel absolutely terrible for you, because I know it's supposed to be like 40-something degrees in your area, while you're expected to be sunny all week. While here, we're supposed to be like around the mid to high 20s, and we're supposed to get rain all week. Some thunderstorms included. It's just not the way to go, in my opinion. I hate thunderstorms, and I hate power outages. And guys, just so you know, it is raining, but there's no thunder right now. I think the rain just became steadier. But basically what I'm saying here is that The power outage that just went out around, I think, half an hour ago. Hopefully it doesn't stay out tonight, the whole night, and into tomorrow, because tomorrow, that's the first threat, basically. I'm probably going to lose it tomorrow if it's going to literally. But I freaking. And just so you, and by the way, guys, if you didn't see, my room's actually been updated. As you can see, the Mac's over there, and the TV has now. It's back to its. It's basically back to its old spot. It's just like rotated that way a little bit. But basically, it's back to its old spot. But anyways, my point here is that I don't want thunderstorms and power outage to be a freaking thing. It makes me so mad that thunderstorms and power outages are still a thing. Especially if they happen for no reason at all. So, which is why I'm starting to hate the world at this point, because I hate severe weather, and that includes thunderstorms and a lot of their stuff. Which is why at some point I don't even think I want to live in Collingwood anymore. I feel like just going, actually, I feel like going up as far north as probably even Nunavut. But I'm thinking, but my mom and I are thinking that in the future we might move to North Bay. They still get thunderstorms up there, though. But they sometimes get cooler weather than here. But they sometimes do get heat as well. So, I'm still going to be dealing with thunderstorms up there, but literally, the fact that we have to go for this shit right now, just not okay to me. I hate power outages, and I hate thunderstorms. That's the bottom line. In fact, you know what? I hope Rafi's watching this right now. Rafi Movie Collector 2001, you better be watching this right now, because this is an emergency to me. This is an emergency for me. I hate thunderstorms, and I hate power outages with a burning fucking passion. They make me so upset and shit like that. It's got me so fuming mad that basically the power went out for no reason at all. I hope the workers out there are fixing it right now while I am venting. I'm only going to make this to like 10 minutes, but basically, thunderstorms need to go fuck off, because I do not want to deal with any of that scary lightning shit right now. Even though I'm not, there's no thunder there's no thunder happening right now, but I'm just saying, while it's not happening, because otherwise, if it was happening right now, I would panic. So basically, one of the last words to say before I end this video: Mother Nature, I hope you die. And sorry if that offends so many of you, but that's just how I feel about thunderstorms. Thunderstorms shove this up your butt. And power outages, same to you. My God. It's just ridiculous. I hate the summer. I hate the summer, guys. I hate this time of the year so much. I hate this time of the year so much. It's just ridiculous. I hate this so much. Alright, so I'm going to end off this video while I hope for the power to come back on in at least the next few hours, depending on how long it's out for. I hope it's not anything worse. Like something I've been thinking, which I'm not going to tell you, but whatever. That's the 10-minute mark. See you guys in my next video. That's my rant on thunderstorms and power outages. Go away, thunderstorms, and go away, power freaking outages. Go away. Stay tuned. Bye. Done ranting.